Did you know that albatrosses are some of the most remarkable seabirds on Earth? With wingspans reaching up to 12 feet, they are built for long-distance flight, gliding effortlessly over oceans for days without flapping their wings. Albatrosses are masters of dynamic soaring, using wind currents above the waves to conserve energy. They can travel thousands of miles in search of food, feeding mainly on squid and fish. These incredible birds also symbolize loyalty as they mate for life and return to the same nesting sites year after year. Albatrosses are true wonders of the skies, nature's elegant ocean voyagers.